And the vision of Nandamuri Taraka Ramarao Garu and our Honorable Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu Garu aligns with the vision of this bill that would convert ordinary Nari to Narayan. And the reforms that Nandamuri Taraka Ramarao Garu brought in the early 1980s were now the templates for the national policy that has been taking place from the decades and also days. One of the historic decisions that Telugu Desam Party has taken place when country was debating still about the BC reservation, it was the first party to announce 30% women reservation in all government jobs and also the local body elections. This has liberated women, and also this has given them freedom and given a special place in our society. And another important decision that Telugu Desam Party took was to decide on and amend the Hindu Succession Act 1956, where every woman had equal rights, in the paternal property. And so one of the very important administrative decisions that took place during 1980s was the Assigned Land Act, where all the government assigned lands were registered under the name of women. And this has promoted ownership. It has also promoted economic independence to them, and also the domestic violence has come down. And those were the days when women wanted to pursue education, higher education, but then they were taunted and they were asked to get married and have kids. And it was N.T. Ramarao Garu who has established the first Mahila University in Tirupati, that is Sri Padmavati Vishwavidyalayam. And here women could stand on their own legs, and most of the women of that generation now are the successful women and are the products of this university.